Gonna cook me up some hamburgers. Got all my coals off to one side to start them up. I can use the chimney, but never have any newspaper to do it with. Well, get some charcoal on there. Yeah, blow up, blow up. Lighter up. Stand back because I only have one eyebrow left. Yep, don't want to be too close. Fire's dying down a little bit. Yay! Wee! Wee! Okay, fire's gone out. Let's put some more of this fluid on here. It's not lighting up, it's smoldering. We're going to have reflash. Use an eyebrow easy this way. Reflash. Burning now. Would have loved to show you how I burn my hand. My wife don't like me playing with the phone. She was on the porch. Sure is a nice day. Oh my God, it's the Black Death. Oh my God, it's the Black Death. Flip those bad boys. Yeah, flip. Ow, frickin' burn my hand. Ow, damn, it's hot. Frickin', my fingers. This is what you should not do. I need 2 years to fix that one. Hot. Scoot's not long enough. I can't see. Too much smoke. They look pretty now. Get that lid back on. Yep. When you put cheese on the hamburgers, you always got to fold the corners in. You got to get them all over the grill. Yeah, fits the hamburger better. I'll frickin' burn my finger again. Damn fire. Hey, got the cheese on there, melting. Yeah. Smother that damn thing. Shut the vents off. Let it smolder. Dinner's almost ready, and I only burned myself 8 times.